In this video, I am going to show how to convert number into word in Excel, in dollar and also Indian rupees in new Microsoft Office 2016. Watch the full video. At first, I want to show the developer option in menu bar. You can see there is no developer option. Now click on the file. Click on the file. Options. This is the options. Customize the one. I think there is no developer option. Change all commands. Check the developer option. There is I think there is also not the developer option. No. Since commands, no, there is no developer option. Since custom main tabs, you can see this is the developer option. Click add. Okay. Now developer option is show in the menu bar. Enable all macros. Okay. No spelling number is on because I am not set the Visual Basic formula. You can check. Now I want to insert the formula. Open Excel 2016. Open a new Excel sheet. Developer, Visual Basic, insert Modelo. This is the code. You can see. Ctrl+A select. This is a dollar. After show the dollar, I will show the how to convert in rupees. Excel Micro enable workbook. Save as Excel Micro. Okay. Click. You can see this is the formula, scale number, formula is works. You can look at this $2,000 and no cent. $2,000. I will show how to convert in Indian rupees in this video. Watch the full video. Now looks how to convert in Indian rupees. I am open the word book, paste the formula and replace the dollar in rupees. Ctrl plus Z. You can see it is all dollar. Now I want to replace the in rupees dollar. Copy this dollar, copy, paste, rupees. Write the rupees in the replace box. Replace all. Okay. Done. Close the pop-up box. Now Ctrl plus A, select the all formula again. And open the Excel sheet again. Developer, Visual Basic, insert Modello, paste on same again. Now you can see there is the rupees. Save as micro enable workbook. $5,000. 4,500, 4,500. You can see equal to now. I want to convert it in sen also, in rupees also. Equal to spell number. Spell number, click, drag close, enter. Friends, you can look the formula is working. 6,543 rupees and 54 cents. Like, comments and subscribe this channel for upcoming more videos.